Which stock could make you rich or cost you big? Is it Mara with its wild volatility or FUBO, the underdog fighting to stay relevant? Today we're going to find out which one is the next big winner in high-risk stocks and why you need to pay attention right now before it's too late. Let's face it, investing in high-risk stocks isn't for the faint of heart. But let me ask you this. What if one of these stocks could give you massive returns in the next few years? What if ignoring them now could be the biggest mistake you ever make? First, let's look at Mara, the wild card of the cryptocurrency sector. Mara isn't your average tech stock. It's directly tied to Bitcoin, making it a high-risk, high-reward play. Over the past year, it's soared by over 200%. But here's the catch. It's also dropped as much as 50% in a single month. Now, let's turn our eyes to FUBO, a sports streaming platform that's been struggling to find its footing. Sure, the idea of watching live sports without cable is appealing, but FUBO's stock has been stuck in a rut. After hitting highs in 2020, it's been stagnant, with little promise of short-term growth. But is that really a sign to walk away? I know. You're probably thinking, why bother with these risky stocks? Well, the reality is, you can't win big without taking risks. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's dive into the numbers. Mara's market cap sits at a massive $1.5 billion, riding high off the crypto wave. But don't get comfortable. Its reliance on Bitcoin means every price swing in cryptocurrency could completely wipe out your gains. But here's the thing. FUBO might be the safer bet. Or is it? Despite its stagnation, FUBO's revenue growth is slowly creeping up, and its user base is growing. Still, it has deep cash flow issues. It's like a sinking ship with a life raft. Can they stay afloat long enough to make a real comeback? Here's the problem no one talks about, the risk of being left behind. If FUBO doesn't turn things around quickly, it could be overshadowed by streaming giants like Netflix and Amazon. Meanwhile, Mara is riding the crypto wave, but if Bitcoin crashes, Mara could take a nosedive too. Just when you think you've figured it out, you realize both of these stocks are a gamble. So which one is worth your money? So now we're at the crucial moment, the next big winner. Will it be the explosive volatility of Mara, which promises huge returns but carries a massive risk of losing it all? Or FUBO, the stock that could skyrocket if they finally figure out how to compete in a saturated market? Here's where you need to make a decision. Investing in high-risk stocks isn't about playing it safe. It's about taking calculated risks. But the clock is ticking. Will you jump in now while both stocks are at a crossroads, or will you sit back and watch the opportunity slip away? I'll tell you this. The next few months could be critical for both of these stocks. If you're ready to make a move, you have to act fast, because if you wait too long, the window of opportunity may close forever. Which stock do you believe will dominate 2025? Don't escape this opportunity. Click and find out now. Don't let this be the video you stop on. Your next move is critical. Click now to watch my breakdown of Nvidia versus AMD versus SoFi versus Micron, the ultimate stock battle of 2025. This could be the most important decision in your investing journey. Click here before you miss out on the insights that could change your financial future.